special. Today we are going to be making a sugar scrub. Now, the one thing I know about all mums is they love to be pampered, especially my mum. So I'm just going to teach you how to make this. So first of all, you need a bowl, a wooden spoon, some sugar, some proper lemon juice. That's got fruit acids in it to help the skin exfoliate, and then some chalkboard labels. I've written mine in silver to make it look really nice, and I drew a nice love heart. My writing is so neat, I think. Some ribbon from Asda. If you're in America, it would be in Walmart, and this is 50p. And I got this from Poundland, also if you're in America, the Dollar Tree. Then what you need is some coconut oil, some more coconut oil, which is going to make it smell so yummy and delicious, and it's coconut essential oil. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to add in some sugar. So I'm going to add in a whole lot. There. I'm just going to go and mix that up. Love that noise, listen. Okay, now I'm adding this. Okay, I'm just going to a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to mix that up, yeah, until you get the right consistency, guys. Ooh, so good. Ooh. It's kind of like you're making dinner. A little bit more of this, baby. So you just need to mix it gradually until you get the right consistency. A bit like wet sand. Guys, please be sure to check out the rest of my videos. They're really fun for family. I get it everywhere. Okay. So now, guys, I think this is the consistency you need. Now I'm gonna add in a drop of lemon juice. Nice. The lemon helps the skin exfoliate. Ooh. Okay, so that's cool. So now we're going to add in 3 drops of coconut essential oil. Ooh, has this got child locks? Nope. Okay, so 1. Right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this oil is really strong stuff. You only need a little bit, so it'll still smell delicious. So fun and satisfying. So satisfying. Okay. Loads of times I'm gonna put this into the jar. We start spooning it in. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and 1, 2. Oh, you get in there. I don't want to get too big, but not too small, or it's going to take forever. That was way too big. Guys, this is what it looks like in a jar. With finishing touches. Now we're going to add in on the bow to make the jar look even more prettier. Okay. So if you don't know how to tie a bow, get a parent to, because most parents know how to. Actually quite a lot. Almost all the parents in the world do. Okay. So now I'm going to add on the chalkboard label onto the jar. Okay. Okay. And then stick it under the bow, because that is obviously the front. And there you have it, the finishing touch of your mum scrub. And my mum's gonna be pampered. This is really good, it exfoliates your skin, and your mum is gonna love this. And I pretty much love mine as much as my mum's gonna love it. So yeah, wait, I've got to show you my drawing I did of me, my mum and Jacob. And it says, Mum, it's really good. I think I put too much lipstick on. But still, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that little bell. See you in my next video, kids and adults. Bye. The most amazing scrub ever living.